Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Weather Doll updated. Gather fabric, stuffing, thread, buttons, and weather-safe sealant before starting. Begin by cutting pattern pieces and labeling them clearly. Pin pieces together and sew with 1/4-inch seam allowance. Turn the doll right side out and stuff firmly but not overpacked. Attach hair, face details, and clothing with secure stitches. Test mobility by rotating limbs and adjusting stuffing. Start with a clean workspace and lay out your pattern pieces. Choose fabrics that withstand moisture if your doll will be outdoors. Use lightweight stuffing for a responsive feel and denser pellets for weight at the base. Pre-wash fabrics to prevent shrinkage. Transfer markings carefully with a fabric pen. If using a sewing machine, test stitch length on scrap fabric to match thread tension. Keep safety pins away from children and secure loose threads. Quick recommendation: if you want a fresh-smelling car after doll-making trips, grab Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to banish odors fast. It smells crisp and lasts for weeks, so your car stays pleasant between craft runs. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals on craft supplies and accessories. Now let's get back to the video. Work in sections to avoid mistakes and finish seams as you go. Sew limbs and appendages with reinforced backstitches at stress points. Use top stitching to create clear edges and add decorative embroidery for facial features. Stuff gradually and test balance frequently to prevent lopsidedness. For waterproofing, apply a thin coat of fabric sealant and allow full drying between coats. Let the doll cure fully before long-term outdoor exposure. Store indoors during extreme storms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.